Hi there, it's Professor Monty, and let's look about adding and subtracting fractions that have common denominators. All right, so the rule looks like this. If I have two fractions with the same denominator, we can add those up just by adding the numerators together and keeping the denominator the way it is. Same rule works with subtraction. As long as the denominator is the same, I subtract the numerators, keep the denominator the same. And that idea of keeping the denominator the same, we know that has to work because think, if I have a third of a pizza and somebody else gives me a third of a pizza, I'm going to have 2/3 of a pizza when I put those together. And that's exactly what we have here. So 1/3 plus 1/3, we have a common denominator of 3, so we just add the numerators together, keep the denominator the way it is, and that 1/3 of a pizza plus another 1/3 of a pizza gave me 2/3 of a pizza. All right, so that's the idea. So here's another example. Common denominator 14, we keep the 14 as the denominator. And then we just add the numerators, 3 plus 4. Now on this one, notice that 7 over 14, there's a common factor of 7 in each of these. So now I can reduce it. The way I like to reduce, 7 goes into the numerator once, goes into the bottom twice, so that reduces to 1 over 2, or 1/2. But we're never at our final answer until we've completely simplified or reduced the fraction. Okay, same idea. Subtraction this time. 5/6 minus 1/6, as long as the denominator is the same. Now, if the denominator is not the same, we can't just do this. We have to get the same denominator first. I'll show that in another video. But we have a common denominator of 6. We keep the 6 as the denominator. Just subtract the numerators. And you don't have to write that 5 minus 1 step down. You can just do it in your head, of course. But that's what we're doing. So we get 4 over 6. Again, that reduces. 2 goes into both of those. 2 goes into the top once, goes into the bottom 3 times, and so 2/3 is our answer. So that's the idea. Easy as that when you have a common denominator.